VPP Supremo and Nangkrem MLA Arden Basayomaj in a short duration discussion highlighted the alarming rise in temperatures in extreme heat in the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. He criticized the state government for neglecting environmental concerns amidst the new development projects. In response, Deputy Chief Minister Praston Tinsong assured that measures are in place to balance development with environmental protection.
I am asking how the government arrived at a 20% success rate. So what is the methodology? Whether is there any sort of any agency that the government is engaging? You cannot simply say that